Let's speak about the word ikke, which means not. Where do we put it in the sentence? Well, normally, in simple sentences, the word ikke will come after the verb. So, jeg snakker ikke fransk. I don't speak French, or I speak not French. Something like that. Vi bor ikke i Trondheim. We don't live in Trondheim, or we live not in Trondheim. Right? If we have inversion, when the subject comes after the verb, then the word ikke will come after the subject. Snakker du ikke norsk? But in this case, in colloquial Norwegian, it is also okay to say snakker ikke du norsk? Yeah. But in the general rule, in bokmål, we say that we put ikke after the subject when we have inversion. And the same thing. Nå bor de ikke i Oslo. Now live they not in Oslo, in this order. That was the general rule, but when we have the word ikke in a subordinate sentence, not in the main sentence, but in the subordinate sentence, then ikke will come in front of the verb. Han sier, this is the main sentence, at han ikke forstår norsk. This is the subordinate sentence introduced with at. So he says that he doesn't understand Norwegian because of the word at, because of this subjunction. Ikke will come in front of the verb.